Imagine a place where ancient history meets vibrant urban life, where you can sip coffee by the sea and explore 1,700-year-old ruins. Welcome to Split, Croatia. Split, the largest town in Dalmatia and the second largest in Croatia, is a coastal gem with a small-town vibe and easygoing locals. Once just a stopover for tourists, Split has transformed into one of Croatia's most popular destinations. Located in central Dalmatia, Split is an ideal base for exploring Croatia, with its important transport hub and bustling port. In this guide, we'll show you why Split is a must-visit, the best times to go, and the top things to see and do. From June to October, Split is a wonderful place to visit, with its old town offering lively cafes, charming restaurants, and beautiful beaches. The River Promenade is a scenic seafront walkway that's always buzzing with life, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a coffee break. Split's old town is compact and walkable, making it easy to explore attractions like Diocletian's Palace and the River Promenade. Diocletian's Palace, a 1,700-year-old marvel, is the heart of Split, filled with cafes, bars, and restaurants. The Peristyle, a narrow public square near the cathedral, is the starting point for many guided tours and a must-see landmark. For stunning views, climb the bell tower of the Church of St. Dominus, one of Split's iconic symbols. Hvar, one of the oldest neighborhoods, offers a charming glimpse into traditional stone houses and cozy apartments. Split's beaches are diverse, from the sandy shores of Bukvas to the rocky beauty of Kasjani and Bene Beach. Bukvas Beach, just a 10-minute walk from the old town, is famous for the local ball game Pisajan, played in shallow waters. Split's nightlife is vibrant, with bars and clubs scattered throughout the old town and various neighborhoods. Popular spots include Ghetto Club for its bohemian atmosphere, and Shotgun Shooter's Bar for cheap shots and drinks. For craft beer lovers, Leopold's Delicatessen Bar is a must-visit, while Marvel's Library Jazz Bar offers a relaxed ambience. Split is also a foodie's dream, with restaurants offering everything from traditional Dalmatian cuisine to fine dining. Typical meals include grilled meat, fish, or seafood with sides like Swiss chard, French fries, or grilled veggies. For a quick fix, try local fast food like savory phyllo dough pies, burek, or chavapi, finger-shaped minced meat grilled to perfection. Accommodation in Split ranges from historic, boutique hotels to trendy hostels and vacation rentals, catering to all budgets. For the best experience, stay in the lively neighborhoods of Diocletian's Palace and Hvar, close to historical sites and vibrant life. Split is easily accessible by plane, car, train, bus, or ferry, making it a convenient travel hub. The airport is just 20 kilometers from downtown, with shuttle services and taxis available for easy transfers. Public transportation in Split is well organized, with an extensive bus network connecting various neighborhoods and nearby towns. Taxis are a convenient option, though a bit pricey, but Split is also a perfectly walkable town. Parking can be a challenge in the old town, but there are plenty of options in designated areas and garages. Shopping in Split is a delight, with everything from designer boutiques to artisan stores and vibrant markets. For fresh produce, visit Split's Green Market, Bazaar, and the fish market, Peskaja, in the old town. Split hosts a variety of events and festivals, including the Ultra Europe Music Festival and the Split Summer Festival. Whether you're here for the history, the food, or the beaches, Split offers something for everyone.